My name's Andrea Luna. I am a student at ASU West, majoring in elementary education. I was really lucky. My community college experience was really, really good. I had somebody who was working with me in the field of education already. I went to Estrella Mountain Community College. They had a really good program. They set me up, the advisors, and I'm pretty sure any of the Maricopa colleges have that map set up already. I signed up for a map that told me exactly what classes I needed to take. I was the first person in my family to go to college, so my parents had no idea what they were doing when I said I need to go to college. I didn't know how to sign up. I didn't know how to register, but I just asked questions. I did a lot of research myself. I talked to other people, talked to other adults, other teachers, other students who are already in college, and they definitely helped me in making my decisions and how to guide me. If you already have a plan, it's okay if you don't, but if you have something in mind, stick to it, because that's what's going to help you in getting to where you need to go. Call ASU beforehand. They'll always answer the call and help you with whatever you need help with. So again, just networking.